Homemade hair mask for Silky smooth hair. This video will show you the most pleasing and efficient hair mask for dry, rough, or frizzy hair. Your locks will be silky, glossy, and smooth after using this hair mask. There are no chemicals in this hair treatment, it's all natural and organic. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos. This hair treatment is excellent for dry, frizzy hair. This mask gives your hair complete nutrition and moisture while also moisturizing your dried scalp. This also eliminates dandruff and relieves the itchy scalp. It heals all deficiencies and makes your hair healthy. Therefore, hair growth is stimulated by it. Let's start. For this homemade hair mask, you will require: take a clean bowl, 1 egg. Remember, if you have oily or greasy hair, use only the egg white. If your hair is dry, remove the egg yolk. Use the whole egg if you have normal hair. Take an egg as per the length of your hair. With the use of a beater, beat the egg. Add 4 tablespoons of yogurt next. The yogurt should be thick. Mix it well. After combining, add 2 tablespoons olive oil, or else you can also use coconut oil or almond oil. Now add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Combine all the ingredients and prepare a smooth paste. Now your homemade hair mask is prepared. It makes your hair glossy, silky, and soft. Apply the hair mask to your scalp and massage it perfectly for 5 minutes. Allow the mask to rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. While the mask absorbs, cover your hair with a shower cap. After waiting 15 to 20 minutes, rinse and clean your hair with normal water. Then, use shampoo to cleanse your hair. If you don't think that the hair mask has been completely removed, then repeat shampooing your hair. You have to use eggs in this hair treatment as they are high protein. Only eggs provide high-quality protein that is free of chemicals and natural. Fatty acids in eggs make your hair seem more healthy and glossy, and potassium helps repair dry, damaged hair while increasing its thickness and strength. Vitamin A, D, and B12 are all present in this hair mask, which helps to prevent split ends and breakage and helps to avoid hair fall and loss. It also promotes growth by increasing the levels of crucial nutrients in your scalp. Yogurt is high in lactic acids and zinc, which helps enhance your hair's quality. I've also added some olive oil because it is rich in vitamin E, which benefits your hair. Lemon juice has also been added since it aids in treating dandruff and reducing sebum production from your scalp. This homemade hair mask is the most delicate hair mask due to its high quality. This hair treatment repairs your hair, making it healthier and longer. It also gives it glossy, soft, and polished hair. Use the hair mask twice a month or once weekly, and there are no adverse effects. Share this information with your friends on all social media sites. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. For more videos from me, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.